So first of all, graph this polar function, of course using the calculator, and then convert to rectangular, which means x's and y's. So we'll get rid of the r and the theta and have just x's and y's. But first, for the graph. So of course, make sure that it's in polar form and that it's in radians. And this one is r equals 3 plus 5 cosine of theta. For the window, I need to go from 0 to 2 pi. This I'll change to pi divided by 24. Let's see, 3 plus 5 is 8, so it could get as big as 8 or negative 8. And what does it look like? That is called a cardioid, like a heart. So it has this inner loop like this, and it has this outer loop that goes like this. Okay, now that we did the hard part, graphing it, what about converting it to rectangular coordinates? So that's where you can use identities like r squared equals x squared plus y squared. X is equal to r cosine of theta. Y is equal to r sine of theta. These two right here, I remember them because they're in alphabetical order. It goes x and then y. It goes c and then s. Bet you never thought of that. Yep, that's why I'm here, to teach you the important stuff. So let's see. This has r, so all I need to do is take square root of both sides. So in other words, r is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. And this one doesn't have r, so I could just right here solve for cosine. And so cosine is equal to x over r. And then substitute these two into the given function. So replace the r with the square root of x squared plus y squared. And then it would be 3 plus 5. And then replace cosine with x over r. Well, we're almost done, because changing it to rectangular coordinates means it only has x and y. So it's not supposed to have this r. So I need to replace that r with the square root of x squared plus y squared as well. And then there's just one more step, and that is I'm going to multiply both sides by the square root of x squared plus y squared. So when I do that, the square root times the square root eliminates the square root, giving you just x squared plus y squared. And then distribute this, so it's going to be 3 times the square root of x squared plus y squared. And when you distribute it here, the square root on the bottom and the square root on the top cancel. It leaves just plus 5x. And then this one can't be simplified anymore, so you can just stop right there.